What's the meaning of amplifier? Amplifier. 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 Amplifier.
An amplifier is an electronic device that increases the amplitude, or power, of a signal. It takes a weak input signal and produces a stronger output signal, hence the name amplifier. The amplified signal is an exact replica of the original, but with increased strength. This allows the signal to be transmitted over longer distances or to be properly processed by subsequent devices in a circuit. Amplifiers are used in a wide range of applications, such as in audio systems, radio communication, medical equipment, and scientific research. They are essential components in modern electronics and technology.